Many of you will have heard about Natural England's green infrastructure and the standards we provide and the advice we give to local authorities and developers to make the very best, get the very most nature into built development that we can. Well, today I'm at Earls Court and I'm seeing a site that is absolutely blowing that out of the water by the high standards they're working to. It's going to be the biggest investment in nature in West London for generations, creating a wonderful mix of parks, walkways, water spaces, and with buildings that are also water and energy sustainable. So creating a real community asset. And we've heard from the developers how much they've invested in engaging with the communities who already live here, who will also benefit from that new green infrastructure, as well as from the people that are going to live in the new houses and work in the new businesses being created on this site. It's been inspirational and really heartwarming to see how much difference Natural England can make working in partnership with planners and developers to create homes that are good to live in, that have green space, and keep everybody healthy and happy.